Founded in Germany, Novada has attracted growing interest thanks to its large IP pool and a diverse suite of scraping and data collection solutions. But does its proxy quality live up to the hype? Let's join IPFighter in this hands-on review to find out whether Novada is the right choice for your needs. Novada currently operates a network of over 100 million residential IPs across more than 195 countries and territories. In addition, the platform offers over 2 million mobile IPs and a variety of proxy solutions designed to support different use cases. The service supports city-level targeting, sticky sessions, and rotating sessions with flexible session durations ranging from 1 to 120 minutes, allowing users to customize proxy behavior based on their specific needs. According to Novada, its network maintains a 99.9% uptime rate. Beyond proxy services, Novada also provides data collection solutions such as Scraper API, Web Unblocker, and Browser API, making it suitable for businesses and teams handling large-scale web data extraction projects. In addition, Novada offers 24/7 customer support to help users resolve technical issues and maintain smooth operations whenever assistance is needed. Novada offers a wide range of proxy solutions, including both rotating and static proxy products. Let's take a closer look at the key features of each option. First is the residential proxy network, which includes more than 100 million residential IPs. This service supports city-level targeting, delivers a reported success rate of up to 99.99%, and offers response times below 0.5 seconds. Next is the rotating ISP proxy network, powered by nearly 3 million IPs. It supports longer session durations, maintains response times under 0.5 seconds, and uses high-quality IP addresses sourced from real internet service providers. For users who need scalable rotating proxies, Novada also provides rotating data center proxies with more than 1 million IP addresses. These proxies offer high-speed connections, automatic IP rotation, and city-level targeting options. The mobile proxy network includes more than 2.8 million real 3G, 4G, and 5G IPs. It supports geographic targeting and delivers a reported request success rate of up to 99.99%. Moving to the static proxy lineup, static ISP proxies provide access to over 500,000 IPs sourced from premium ASN networks. These proxies allow long-term IP retention, support dedicated bandwidth, and offer city-level targeting. Dedicated data center proxies come with more than 150,000 private IPs, high-speed performance, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and city-level targeting capabilities. Finally, Novada offers IPv6 proxies with a pool of more than 12 million IPv6 addresses. These proxies feature response times below 0.5 seconds, unlimited concurrent connections, and an average uptime of approximately 99.9%. When it comes to pricing, Novada's residential proxies start at around $1 per gigabyte with a minimum purchase of 10 gigabytes. For larger enterprise plans, pricing can drop to approximately 85 cents per gigabyte. Mobile proxies start at around $5 per gigabyte on standard plans, while high-volume enterprise packages can reduce costs to as low as approximately $1.50 per gigabyte. Next, rotating ISP proxies are priced from around $2.80 per gigabyte for smaller plans and can decrease to approximately 65 cents per gigabyte on larger enterprise packages. Rotating data center proxies start at around $1 per gigabyte when purchasing a 150 gigabytes plan, while enterprise tier pricing can go as low as approximately 55 cents per gigabyte. For static proxy products, static ISP proxies start at around $3.50 per IP for packages of 1 to 9 IPs with a 7-day rental period. Pricing becomes significantly more competitive as the number of purchased IPs increases. The same pricing trend applies to Novada's premium ISP IP plans. Dedicated data center proxies start at approximately $1.50 per IP for 1 to 9 IPs over a 7-day period, with lower per IP pricing available for larger orders. As for IPv6 proxies, Novada does not publicly list fixed pricing. Instead, quotes are provided based on each customer's specific requirements. Overall, Novada offers a flexible pricing structure that can be customized according to different usage needs. Users can also contact the sales or support team directly to create a tailored package that better fits their project requirements. Regarding free trials, Novada currently offers a $15 trial credit program. To receive this bonus, users simply need to share a Novada promotional post in 3 groups or community channels and then submit proof to the support team to claim the $15 service credit. As for refunds, Novada provides a full refund within 24 hours if the service has not been used. The platform also maintains separate refund policies for technical technical issues and certain product categories. In addition, if you'd like to save even more when purchasing Novada residential proxies, don't forget to visit the Coupons Partners section on IPFighter to grab a discount code before checkout. When it comes to payment methods, Novada offers a wide range of options, including PayPal, Alipay, PayerMax, PaymentWall, and various other international payment solutions. This flexibility makes it easier for users from different countries and regions to purchase services using their preferred payment method. To get proxies from Novada, you first need to sign up for or log into your account on the Novada website. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and log in before purchasing a proxy plan. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to the Novada dashboard. Here, you can view the platform interface, available proxy products, and your account information. The first step is to choose and purchase a proxy plan that matches your needs. You can either click the purchase option directly from the overview section or navigate to the proxies tab to quickly select the type of proxy you want. For this example, IPFighter will purchase a residential proxy plan priced at $2.28 per gigabyte with 50 gigabytes of bandwidth for 1 month. Before completing the payment, don't forget to visit IPFighter.com and grab a Novada discount coupon to save on your purchase. To claim the coupon code, simply follow the steps shown on screen. Once you click Get Code, you'll be redirected to Novada's homepage. This means the coupon has been successfully activated. Next, return to the IPFighter website, copy the coupon code, then go back to your Novada dashboard and paste it into the coupon field during checkout. As you can see, the original price of $190 is reduced by 60% after applying the discount code from IPFighter, bringing the total down to just $76. That's a saving of $114 on a 50 gigabytes residential proxy plan valid for 30 days. Using discount codes from IPFighter can help you save a significant amount of money, especially when purchasing larger proxy packages. After completing the purchase, I'll show you how to generate and retrieve your proxies from the Novada dashboard. Once you've purchased a proxy plan, it will appear under the My Products section. Click on the product to access its settings and management options. Inside the product dashboard, you'll find several sections. The endpoint generator is where you configure and generate your proxies. The analytics section displays usage statistics and bandwidth consumption. The users section allows you to manage and create proxy users, while the whitelist section lets you add IP addresses that are authorized to access your proxy service. Now let's go back to generating proxies. In the Endpoint Generators section, you'll need to configure several settings before creating your proxy endpoints. Under Authentication Method, you can choose between users and whitelist IPs. If you select users, you'll first need to create a user account in the Users section. You can either click Quick Add to let the system generate a user automatically or choose Add User if you'd like to configure the credentials manually. If you prefer whitelist IPs, simply go to the whitelist section and add the IP address you want to authorize. For this demonstration, IPFighter will use the user's authentication method. Next, under Select Proxy Region/ASN, you can choose a specific proxy location or leave it as global, allowing the system to randomly assign IPs from any available location. In this example, I'll select a regional proxy and choose Germany as the target country, while leaving the state and city settings randomized. The next option is Proxy Address. This determines which proxy gateway server you'll connect to. For the best performance, it's recommended to select a gateway close to the proxy location you've chosen. In most cases, the system will automatically recommend the most suitable server based on your selected country. Under Output Format, choose the format you'd like your proxy list to be generated in. For this example, I'll select the endpoint format. Next is Session Type, where you can configure how IP rotation works. Selecting Rotating will assign a new IP address for every request, while Sticky will keep the same IP address for up to 120 minutes. In this example, I'll choose Sticky Session and set the rotation interval to 60 minutes. You can also enable the Automatic IP Replacement option, which allows the system to automatically switch to a new IP if the current one becomes unavailable. If you prefer full control over IP changes, simply enable Change IP manually. The platform will generate an API link that you can copy and paste into your browser whenever you want to manually rotate to a new IP address. With this option enabled, the proxy will no longer rotate automatically based on time. Finally, in the Endpoint Output Lists section, choose how many proxies you want to generate and the export format. For this example, I'll generate one proxy using the hostname, port, username format. Once everything is configured, the generated proxy will immediately appear below. You can either copy it directly for immediate use or export the list and save it for later. After successfully generating a proxy from Novada, IPFighter will test the IP by connecting it through the IPFighter Proxy Manager extension on Chrome. If you're not familiar with IPFighter Proxy Manager, you can check out the tutorial video linked in the top right corner of the screen or in the video description below. Once the proxy has been connected to Chrome, I'll head over to IPFighter.com to evaluate the actual quality of the IP address. As you can see, the IP address has been successfully changed, confirming that the proxy is working properly and routing traffic through the browser as expected. In terms of trust score, this IP achieved 88 out of 100 points, which is a very solid result. The detailed platform scores are also quite positive, with YouTube at 89%, Amazon at 80%, and Google at 79%. These results suggest that the IP maintains a good reputation and should be suitable for a wide range of use cases. In addition, the geolocation details including country, city, and ISP are displayed accurately and match the original proxy configuration in Germany. Another noteworthy detail is the proxy indicator, which shows a status of no. This means IPFighter does not detect the connection as a publicly exposed proxy, which may contribute to a more natural trust profile when accessing online platforms. In addition to checking the IP's trust score, I also tested the real-world performance of this proxy using FAST. The results showed a download speed of approximately 32 megabits per second and an upload speed of around 28 megabits per second. This is a fairly decent level of performance for a residential proxy and should be sufficient for common tasks such as web browsing, account management, social media activities, and other everyday online operations. As for latency, the connection recorded ping times ranging from 247 milliseconds to 266 milliseconds. This is relatively high compared to a typical internet connection, so for tasks that require fast response times or low latency communication, the experience may not be fully optimal. That said, this test was conducted using a single residential proxy IP selected at random during the review process. Actual performance may vary depending on the specific IP address, geographic location, network conditions, time of use, and the particular Novada proxy product being used. If your use case prioritizes higher speed or greater long-term stability for specialized tasks, you may want to consider some of Novada's other proxy options, including its rotating proxy products or static proxy solutions. Overall, based on this hands-on experience, Novada offers a fairly comprehensive proxy ecosystem with a wide range of options suitable for different use cases and budgets. In this review, Novada's residential proxy demonstrated stable IP rotation, accurate geolocation information, and a solid trust score when tested through IPFighter. Real-world connection speeds were reasonably good, although actual performance will naturally vary depending on the specific IP address, proxy type, location, and usage scenario. If you'd like to evaluate the quality of your proxies before putting them into production, don't forget to visit IPFighter and run a proxy quality check for a more objective assessment. In addition, with the goal of improving the overall experience for the community, IPFighter is always open to collaborating with partners to bring users the best possible proxy options. If you're a proxy provider looking to partner with us and introduce your products or services to a wider audience, feel free to contact IPFighter through the following channels: Telegram at ipfighter_partnership or email support@ipfighter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the IPFighter YouTube channel so you won't miss future reviews, tutorials, and proxy-related guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next videos.